Hey, what's up, guys? It's Dwight, the Good Energy Affiliate, back with another video for you. In this one today, I'm going to talk about the best way to start an online business. I'm going to teach you guys, or I'm going to show you the online business challenge that changed everything for me and my affiliate marketing and my online business career. Give you a little bit of insight on how it worked, what's all included, and how you can get started for yourself. Real quick, before I get into that, I'm going to do what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to give away a free copy of my video course on how to leverage paid traffic. It's a 3-module video course. All you have to do to enter to win that course is drop a like and a comment on this video, and I'm going to randomly select one person every video to give away a free copy. Now let's get into it. Okay, what's the best way to start an online business in 2021? Let's get into it. Okay, so first I'm going to tell you why this is the best way to start an online business. Okay, now when you start an online business, there's a few things that you need to have to become successful. One, you're going to need some good training. You're going to need a good mentor to help you get along, guide you along the travels and the ups and downs of this thing. And then you're also going to want to see someone who's actually done what you're trying to do and be able to mimic them. Not necessarily copy them, but you want to emulate them to a certain extent. The best way to achieve success is by duplicating success that's already been established. All right. So these are some of the reasons why I believe that this is the best way to start an online business, because the thing that I'm getting ready to show you now actually incorporates all of this into one, and so much more. It has a great support community, any type of training, motivation, everything that you need to start an online business successfully. That's going to get you high ticket commissions. Everything you need is all wrapped up into this right here. Okay, so what it is called the 15-day online business builder challenge. Now, if you haven't heard of this, or if you haven't seen this before, then you definitely need to continue watching this video. Now, this 15-day online business builder challenge literally takes anyone from zero to having a completely set up online business at the end of the 15-day challenge. Now, who is this for? This is for anyone who has never done any type of online business before, or if you were like me when I found this, you were somebody who had been trying stuff and been, spending money and buying programs and doing a whole bunch of different things and not seeing much success, or any success at all in a lot of cases. This is for you. So like in my case, I was doing affiliate marketing, and trying to blog in and all these different social media sites and buying all these different softwares and different programs and, pretty much trying everything, shiny object syndrome. I was guilty of that. And, I had a little success, but, nothing sustainable, nothing that was ongoing, nothing that was, that I was able to build on. And then I finally found this online business builder challenge, and it really changed the game for me. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to give you a little bit of backstory or a little insight into exactly how this online business builder challenge works. Okay, so here, check it out. Okay, so when you sign up for the online business builder challenge, you're going to come to your back office and it's going to look a lot like this. Okay, now the business builder challenge is going to cost you $7. And if you're like me, I'm going to say that, 99.999% of everyone who takes this challenge will realize that they have gotten their $7 worth by the end of the first video. I cannot begin to tell you how much value is packed into this 15-day challenge. For it to only be $7, I mean, it really is. I mean, I just can't believe that it's only $7. But anyway, so you'll come to this back office right here, and you'll start with only day one will be unlocked. And as you complete the assignments, watch the video and complete the assignments for each day, the next day becomes unlocked. Now, what's really so great about this, well, so many things are so great, but another thing that is so great and amazing about this business builder challenge is that The first thing, you're going to complete a digital marketing assessment. It's going to help them customize the learning experience, like it says here, and it's going to help your business advisor, which I'm going to get to right now, help you the best way possible. Because they're going to get, as a part of this challenge, you're going to get your very own business advisor. It's part of the challenge. It's not an extra it's not an extra fee. It's not an extra charge. It is part of the challenge. And it's going to be someone who has completed this challenge and who has excelled in the online business area. And you'll be able to get their one-on-one coaching, just as a part of this challenge, included for $7. I mean, how amazing is that? People charge hundreds and thousands of dollars for one-on-one coaching, and you get it as a part of this challenge for $7. But anyway, so you're going to complete. You're going to get the one-on-one business advisor call after you complete your business assessment, which is going to help your business advisor show you, guide you along the way. And then, like I said, each day is going to have an assignment like this. And you watch the video, complete the assignment, and then you will come down here, mark the lesson complete, and then continue on to the next step. Now, another thing that's great about this is that it comes with, a Facebook group that you can become a part of for, ongoing support. But this Wake Up Legendary show at 10 a.m. that you get free access to just for taking this challenge. I mean, that in itself is amazing, because the things that they discuss on that Wake Up Legendary show is, it is just like the amount of insight that you'll be getting from other marketers and people who are running online businesses and are doing it successfully. Just the amount of support and information that you get for free every Monday through Friday just from listening to this show is just tremendous. Okay, so I don't want to go over the entire challenge for you, because it's really important that once you do sign up and take this challenge, that I don't want anyone to try to skip forward, and it's important that you go everything step by step with this, because everything is designed specifically for you to go step by step, and at the end of the 15 days have a complete understanding of what your business is, how it's set up, and everything is completely set up by the end of the 15 days. All right. All right, guys, there you have it. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and comment. If you want to get a copy of my free video course on how to leverage paid traffic, like I said, I'm gonna pick a random person every video. And if you don't win this one, don't worry about it. I'm actually in the beginning of a 90 video in 90 days challenge. So if you don't win this one, don't worry about it. You're gonna have another opportunity tomorrow. Again, I'll leave a link for anyone who wants to take the 15-day business challenge. I'll leave a link for you at the bottom of this video. As always, like, comment, guys, let me know what you think, and wish you guys the best success no matter what you do. Always give good energy.